Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto World. Today we're diving into Theta, the cryptocurrency. That's aiming to revolutionize the world of video streaming. We'll explore what Theta is, how it works, and whether it's a smart buy for your cryptocurrency portfolio in 2024. Let's get started. Theta is a blockchain platform designed to improve the video streaming industry by enabling a decentralized peer-to-peer network that allows for improved video delivery and lower costs. The platform uses its native token, Theta, for various functions like rewards for sharing excess bandwidth and for participating in network governance decisions. This not only helps streamline the video streaming process, but also enhances viewer engagement. Video streaming is a resource-intensive process that often suffers from low-quality streams and high costs of content delivery. Theta addresses these issues by allowing users worldwide to share their unused bandwidth and computing resources, contributing to a smoother, higher-quality streaming service. This decentralized approach reduces the need for expensive infrastructure, potentially lowering costs for content distributors. Why consider adding Theta to your investment portfolio? Here are some compelling reasons. As more consumers turn to online platforms for entertainment, the demand for efficient, cost-effective streaming services is on the rise. Theta's unique approach to streaming, utilizing blockchain to decentralize the delivery process, sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies and streaming technologies. Theta has established partnerships with major industry players, which not only validates its technology, but also enhances its market reach and potential for adoption. As the platform continues to develop and gain more adoption, the demand for Theta tokens could increase, leading to potential price appreciation. Investing in Theta, like all cryptocurrencies, involves risks. The success of Theta depends heavily on the broader adoption of its technology and the overall growth of the blockchain for streaming market. Volatility in the crypto market, technological challenges, and potential regulatory changes are also factors to consider before investing. To wrap up, Theta offers a promising solution to some of the significant challenges facing the video streaming industry today. While it presents a unique investment opportunity, it's important to weigh the potential risks and rewards carefully. What are your thoughts on Theta? Do you think it's poised to change the streaming industry? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.